Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Katie. Today I am filming the 6th update for my 2020 rolling project pan, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay guys, this is gonna be a pretty exciting update. I do have 3 empties or products I hit my goal on, so let's just get into it. The first product I was still working on is my Wet n Wild contour shade, and mine is in the shade Dolce de Leche. And all year, I think this has been in from the very beginning, I have been trying to hit side pan on the contour shade, and I finally did. So that's really, really exciting. This is my favorite contour color. I am wearing it today. And this took 10 more times to hit pan on. And my goal for this time was to use it 20 times, but it only took 10 to hit side pan on, as you can see. And I used this a total of 16 times since the last time it was in. But since I finally hit my goal on this one, I will be rolling this out. I actually am not rolling in any new products this time because there's only a month left in the project. So I wouldn't be able to really hit goal, hit pan on anything, or finish anything else up. So I'm just gonna have fewer products this time. The next product I still had in this project is my Becca bronzer in Bali Sands, and my goal for the year was to hit pan, which I did, but I decided to just keep it in the project and see if I could expand the pan, but I'm not really focusing in on it as much as I was. I wanted to use this 15 times since the last update, and I only used it 11, and the pan is not expanding at all. It still looks exactly the same. There's like a good dip going in the middle, but for some reason the little tiny pan, I mean maybe slightly, but not really. But I am just going to keep this in to the end just so I can track it. But I don't really have a usage goal on this. Maybe I'll try to use it 10 times or something. But I haven't been using a lot of bronzer lately, so yeah, I'm just going to keep this one in. The next one is my Clinique lip liner in the shade Bamboo. And I wanted to use it 20 times since the last update, and I actually used it 23. There is very little of this left. Again, I am wearing this lip liner today with a lipstick over it, and this is how much I have left. So small. I've been working on this all year. It takes forever to finish up a full-size lip liner, but I'm really happy with my progress. I will show you the progress lines. They are just going steady. I was hoping to finish this by the end of the year, but I don't think so. I might be able to finish up half of what's left, maybe. But this is going to be so close to being done, but I still don't think it's going to be done by the end of the year. But I'll probably just roll it in a project starting next year, and this will only take, I don't know, a month, maybe 2 at the most. So that is the update on that one, and let me show you the progress lines. Here are the progress lines for that. So first update, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So I did make a good amount of progress between these times, but it's still, I think, probably not going to be finished by the finale. The next product I have is so exciting. This is another one I've been working on the whole entire year, and it is my MAC lip gloss in the shade Love Child. This is just a mini, and I wanted to use it 15 times since the last update, and I did, and it is finally completely done. There's some products on the side, but I don't know if you can tell, but it is completely emptied out. I really liked this color, but yeah, it took forever to finish. I'm happy to be done with it, but I am happy I used it all up. I didn't take the stopper out just because it gets way too messy, and this is kind of a gloopy lip gloss. Anyway, I don't really like the formula of this, but I love the color. So I'm really happy to have this emptied out. It took so much longer than I thought to finish this little itty bitty tiny lip gloss. The next product I was still working on is my Bite Beauty Lipstick in Honeycomb. This I added in 2 updates ago, I think. And it wasn't a project pan before, so it did have quite a bit of use on it. But I wanted to use it 15 times since the last update. And I used it 18 times. This is what this is looking like. This again was just a little mini lipstick. There's not a lot left. But I still don't think I'm going to finish this by the end of the next month, the end of this project. Again, I will show you my progress lines on this. This is the lipstick I'm using it today. And I also use it occasionally as a cream blush. This is the lipstick I have on as my blush today, and I like it like that too. I just can't use it too often like that, or it does tend to like kind of clog my pores and stuff. It's really not meant to be a blush, but I use it maybe, I can get away with using it once or twice a week as a blush. But let's show you the progress lines. Here is the progress lines. 3rd update, 4th, 5th, and 6th. So I did a decent job. Lipstick is just really, really hard to finish up. And I have kind of forgetting to say what my goals are. But this lip liner, I want to use at least 8 times before the finale. And then the lipstick, I want to try to use 16 times before the finale. The next product I had that I was still working on, let me find my page here, is the Becca primer. This is a mini. It didn't have a whole lot left. I'm still not done with it though. I wanted to use it 10 times and I used it 17. But this was kind of where I started, and this is where I am now. Honestly, there's probably like, I don't know, I thought I had more of this left, but I couldn't really see where I was until I held it up to the light. I think there's probably like 2 or 3 more uses of this left. So this will definitely be done by the finale, and I have really enjoyed this primer. And then the next product I was working on is a setting mist, the L'Oreal Lumi Mist, and I wanted to use it 15 times and I used it 18 times. So I started up here and now I'm down here. I'm pretty happy with this progress. This definitely won't again be done by the finale, but again, maybe I can still make some decent progress. And again, this is something I'll probably throw in and get out within the next couple of months of next year. So for next time, I want to use this at least 10 times before the finale. The next product I have is my Perfume, and I wanted to use it 20 times and I used it 26 times. I didn't mark this one, but this is what this is looking like. My goal was to try to get down to the top of this label. I want to try to use this, I don't know, maybe 20 times before the next update. Again, not sure that I will make my goal for the finale, but again, I've really been enjoying using this and I'm happy to have it pulled out of my collection. It smells like juicy mandarin, peach blossom, and sandalwood. It's really nice. It doesn't last very long though. The next product I am working on is my body spray, and I didn't do a usage goal, but I started out at this line and now I'm down to here. This again is something that I won't be able to finish by the end, but something I'll probably roll in. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep working on it, and again, hopefully I can make some nice progress before the finale. And then the last product I am working on is my lip scrub from e.l.f. I wanted to use this 8 times and I used it 9 times. There is very little of this left. This is all that is left. And this is another thing I think I will be able to finish. So by the next update, I think these two will definitely be done. And I think I don't know, I don't think this will take that much more usage, maybe like 3, maybe more. But yeah, that's another thing I want to finish. And I do have progress lines for that one as well. I put it up here, so I just put it in last update. It was up there and now it's already down to here. So yeah, it didn't take that long to finish that much actually. But that is my update. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and give this video a like so you can stay tuned for my finale. And that is all I have. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.